I'll guide you through Todoist with Calendar. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening a new tab in your preferred browser and type in www.todoist.com. Wait for the website to fully load. If you already have a Todoist account, click the Login button at the top right corner, enter your email and password, and click Login again. If you don't have an account yet, click Start for free, enter your email address, and follow the prompts to register. Once logged in, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. From a sidebar menu, select the Calendars tab. Click Connect Google Calendar. Choose the Google account you want to link and allow the necessary permissions. Wait for the sync process to finish. Then, in the calendar settings, turn on the toggle for Sync Tasks to Calendar. To reschedule a task, click and drag it to a different time slot directly in Google Calendar. Any changes will sync automatically to your Todoist app. When a task is marked as complete in Todoist, a check mark will appear on that task in Google Calendar.